Question 15 is about the famous oil droplet experiment. The charge remains at rest between two parallel plates. So the forces balance. Which two forces? The gravitational force and what's balance it? No, electric field from positive to negative, and then the charge experience an upward electric force QE. So these two forces balance each other, so we have a QE equals mg. Remember, don't look at the choices first. And then parallel plates. So remember, for parallel plates, okay, electric field equals V over D, and D is S in this situation. So Q V over S equals mg. So look at the question. Okay, what is your answer? What is Q? So change the subject to Q. Move V over S to the right hand side and flip it and become S over V. So Q equals mgs over V, as you got it. The answer is D. Well done.